Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button as well. Give me a thumbs up. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today, and this is of these are from Yiwan Toys. That's the name brand, but these are like do-it-yourself trucks. Basically, you build the truck itself. So in the back, you can see all the different versions and models of trucks they have. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what comes inside. It is a do-it-yourself, kind of like a toy box. So these are pretty cool. I just wanted to see what comes inside. So this is everything that they provide for you inside. And you can see this is the truck here. And I'll try to set it up right now, get it out of its packaging, just to see what it can kind of do. Okay, so I got the truck out of its box, and you can see it comes with, like, I guess little tools to like disarm the different portions of the truck. In this case, like the wheel, you can take it off like I did here. I loosened it up already, and then you could just tighten it back up, and you can do this through all the different parts throughout the truck itself. You can see, and it gives you all the different the heads, like flat head or the Phillips screwdriver, and you just replace the different parts if you want to be moving and doing things around it. It does come with the batteries as well, and it has the different sounds on it. So this is a pretty cool truck, for kids. You could get used to, like, I guess, building it or modifying it. And I believe it is compatible with all the different models that are on there, in case you want to interchange or do things back and forth for whatever one. So I'm going to leave the link. I did buy this at Amazon, so I'm going to leave the link if you're interested in seeing this one. This one's pretty cool. Gets you back to playing with toys and everything. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much.